atong pansit guys, aray. So ilunod na nato ang mga sauce. Hindi ni sauce. Mga ingredient. Inato ra ni guys, kaya di man ta chef. Hindi man ta chef na reels. So let's mix it. There. So guys, di man ta original na cooks. So that's gonna be this guys. Rice cake, flour stick, and the pancit canton. Yes, here's at the pancit canton. Yan to na ng isagol guys, aray. Ang pancit bihon. See the bihon? That's the bihon and the special pancit canton. Yes. Sagol na din guys. Ato ra ning maumauhon. There you go. Yeah, ato lang palaton. I guess so to say I love you. We're making pancit for Lola Brenda's happy birthday. Lola. Hola pancit. How can we okay this guys? Should you wash this first? I don't think so. Let's just mix this all. So para ka ng tabunan guys, no? Yan, isago na ito ng mga bihons. There. So I think that's enough. Enough? There. Tabunan na nato guys. Luto ra na siya. Ha? So guys, inani na siya after. There. Let's just keep mixing the noodles. Yes. So luto na itong pancit guys. Here's our pancit canton. Super cute. Special pancit canton. And a rice stick bihon. Yes, look at that. With our shrimp. All done. Happy birthday, Lula. Happy birthday, Lola Brenda. Here. Lula's birthday with the pancit and the pandesal, guys. I'm making pandesal for the pancit. Here you go.